English to Khasi translation. How to talk to the girl you want. English. Hello Amy. Khasi. Kumno Amy. English. I hope you are doing well. Khasi. Nakarmen pishat piklain ba. English. Yes, I am good. Khasi. Hoy, ngabiang hi. English. So, where do you plan to go today? Khasi. Nang ta pimut banlet shano manta kasi? English. I'm planning to hang around with my friend to golfling. Khasi. Ngamut ban shu shangkai bat ki paralog sha golfling. English. Alright, can I join too? Khasi. Kabyang longba yadon lang? English. You won't feel good because my friends are very timid. Khasi. Pinam sngotanat na marki parlog jonga kilong kibale rain bid. English. It's all right, I won't mind. Khasi. Compare ngannam sngo ee. English. If it's okay for you, then you can join us. Khasi. Lada pi biang kumta pila bandon lang bat ngi. English. Thank you so much. Khasi. Kublai shibon e. English. So how will we spend our time in golfling? Khasi. Nang ta ngin yapun kut por kumno ha golfling? English. We will just have coffee and hanging around. Khasi. Ngin shuya di coffee but shu yashang sharum shaneng. English. We will also take group photo and have lots of junk food. Khasi. Ngin ya shandur lang shiparalog. Ngin ya bam shibun kijing bam kutia mutiaru. English. Then after that, where you will go? Khasi. Nang ta hadin katapat pinlet shay. English. I will go back home. Khasi. Ngan let pai shaying. English. Oh, I thought of inviting you to a party tonight. Khasi. Oh, ngadang mud ban yawer let party yapi mtakas kamit. English. No, I never go to a party. Khasi. Pi ngamjulet party. English. We're too young to go to a party. Khasi. Ngidang kena palat. Ban let shaki party. English. You're a very good person, Amy, and very understanding also. Khasi. Pide brew babha Amy, but ibas ngot ho bha. English. I like your good character. Khasi. Nga itanat ya ka jinglong bha jong pi. English. Thank you, John. Khasi. Kublai, John. English. You are welcome, Amy. Khasi. Mapreng siyo bha, Amy. English. So at what time we will go to golfling? Khasi. Nang takat no baje ngin let sha golfling. English. We will go around 1 o'clock. Khasi. Ngin ya let kum to shi baje ay. English. All right. You will go by my scooty? Khasi. Biang. Pinlet bat nga daka scooty. English. No, I have to pick up my friends first. Khasi. MP nga hable shaw shwa ya ki paralog jonga. English. All right, I'll see you at golfling then. Khasi. Biang hi ngan saya kendo ha golfling kata. English. English. Okay then, bye bye, see you later. Khasi, to kata ngin se kendo shibit.